So here is the comparison between Workfront and Monday.com. You can click on the links down in the description if you want to try out Workfront or Monday.com. Workfront is built for large enterprises that need to manage complex projects, especially across multiple departments. It's packed with features like resource allocation, workflow automation, time tracking, budgeting, and detailed approvals, making it ideal for marketing, creative, and operations teams in big organizations. Its strength lies in governance, compliance, and managing large volumes of work, but it requires more training and setup and is priced for enterprise use. These are the pricing plans for Workfront. All their plans include work management, demand management, resource management, and more. Monday.com, on the other hand, is more flexible and visually intuitive, offering customizable boards, automation, and integrations that work well for teams of all sizes. It's great for task tracking, project planning, CRM, and even HR processes. And it is user-friendly enough for smaller teams but scalable enough for larger ones too. While it may not have all the deep resource management tools of Workfront, it's easier to learn, quicker to set up, and more cost-effective for mid-sized businesses. These are the pricing plans: free, basic, standard, pro, and enterprise. The pro plan is the most popular plan. So, if you are running enterprise-level operations that require deep project control, compliance tracking, and workflow governance, Workfront is the better choice. But if you want a flexible, easy-to-use platform that grows with your team and is ideal for day-to-day project and task management, Monday.com is a great option.